Hello there. Are you interested in growing marigolds in your garden? Well, you're in luck because I am going to show you how to do it through this video guide. Firstly, the ideal season to plant marigolds is in the spring, which is around March to May, when the temperature is consistently above 10 degrees Celsius. The minimum land requirement will be about 1 square meter as they require adequate space to grow. Secondly, when it comes to watering, make sure the soil is moist, but not waterlogged. You can water every 2 to 3 days, depending on the weather conditions and the soil's moisture level. Thirdly, the harvesting time for marigolds is usually around July to September, which is around 10 to 12 weeks after planting. You can start picking the flowers by snipping the stem below the flower head. Fourthly, some common problems you might encounter while growing marigolds are pests such as slugs, snails, and spider mites. These pests can cause damage to the plant, and it's best to use pesticides to protect them against these pests. Fifthly, marigolds can grow in any climate but do best in warm sunny conditions, and they can even tolerate some frost. Sixthly, the most common use of marigolds is for decoration, either in a vase or in gardens and flower beds. They are also a popular choice as a companion plant, as they can ward off pests from vegetables and other plants. Finally, marigolds are not edible, and while they don't have the best reputation for their taste, they do have a slight citrus-like flavor. So now you have everything you need to know to successfully grow marigolds in your garden. Happy planting!